Okay, so the microbe that I chose was Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Going into its morphology, it is rod-shaped, non-motile, non-spore, non-capsulated, and it has a waxy mycolic acid surrounding the cell wall. It's neither gram-positive or negative because it's harder to see under the gram staining, but it uses a Zeal-Neelsen staining, which here is an example, and it has this light red pigment. In the environment, Mycobacterium are generally found in soil and water, but going into the tuberculosis bacterium, it is airborne, and in people, it can be found in the lungs, brain, spine, and kidney. Um, the actual disease of tuberculosis is carried through airborne particles such as sneezing and coughing. There are two types. The first one, latent TB, which shows no symptoms and cannot spread the disease, compared to just regular TB, which have a weakened immune system. A little bit of statistics. One that I found interesting was that 1 million children get sick with TB a year. I feel like that's with countries who don't necessarily have enough money or the resources in order to prevent or treat TB within kids. And here's my artwork that I drew out. It says with the bacteria and virus walking into a bar. Well, not really walking, we're like floating into the air into a bar, but you get the picture. You guys can read the conversation here. On the left, there's a Mycobacterium tuberculosis in red, and you can see the pili, and it's rod shaped. You can see that there's a cup on the table he's drinking from. In the cup is a human lung, which is because that's where like TB attacks. Going to the COVID-19 virus, you can see I drew a cup with the souls of millions of people affected in the world. A little dramatic, but you get the picture. I was gonna draw them actually sitting on people instead of chairs, but it looked really wrong, and I wanted to keep it PG. So yeah, there's my drawing. Mycobacterium tuberculosis.